Mixing is my life. Biggest mistake you can make with bass, if you start adding lows, cutting low mids, you're gonna lose notes. The notes are gonna change in volume. My ears are gonna make me go until I have it right. On a vocal, if you see I'm adding a broad top boost in the upper mid-range. The mind process of CLA for mixing is simple. Once I hear the song in whatever its rough form, I actually see the finish line. We hit the VCC a bit harder and my favorite frequency at stun, because I want the top end of the kick drum to be really shiny. Biggest problem with toms is them ringing. So if you compress them, you're getting more ring. The fun is in the journey of getting it to the finish line.